everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 187 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have these lip liner pencils from the brand BeautyBenefits to try out, and this is a brand that I find at the Dollar Tree, so these two colors of lip liners were only $1. This is in the shade labeled Scarlet, and these claim to be hyperpigmented colors that have creamy application. This packaging is so weird because you get this kind of big box for just two little pencils. They are cute and little. So it looks like you kind of get well, let's swatch them and figure out what the difference is between these two shades. Wow, they are very different. This one is like an orangey nudish. I wouldn't even consider that a red. And then this one is more red, but it's a bit more of a berry red. So I'd been looking for red lip liners to go with all of my red lipsticks, and I recently tried out the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Spicy. And I really like this one because it's a very true red, and then this is it swatched here, so it really is quite different than these other two. But I will say, as I was swatching these lip liners, they do glide on so creamy. I'm going to test both of them out on my lips. I'm going to start out with the kind of peachier red shade to outline my lips. These are like the creamiest lip liners I've ever used. I only very, very lightly need to draw on my lips to get a full pigmented line. So I'm very impressed by that. And this is not a bad color. It's like a pretty nudie orange shade, but it doesn't look the way it looks in the pencil because this is not red to me at all. But I do like it. I really like the application. And now I'm going to take the more berry shade and fill in my lips. Okay, here's the finished look. I think filling it in with that more berry shade does make my lips look like a nice red. It's actually interesting because when I combined the more peachy shade with the berry shade, it created a very true fire truck red, much more similar to the NYX Spicy shade. So if I wanted to go for a shade like this, I could do a layer of the peach shade and then on top of that with the berry shade, because I noticed that on the outline. But I'm really happy with how these look together, and I love how creamy these are. It really feels like nourishing and moisturizing on my lips. Like, it feels like I have a lip balm on right now. That's how creamy it is. And I really do like the precise shape I was able to get with this. It's not bleeding or feathering at all. It's really staying in place. Let's do a transfer test. Yeah, so that's a lot of transfer for a lip liner. I feel like every other lip liner that I've used doesn't transfer, and that's why I like to fill in my whole lips with a lip liner a lot of the times because it's going to last a long time. But this is quite a bit of transfer, and I do kind of feel like the color has faded slightly from my lips. So it's in that way that it seems like this product is a cheaper product, and I mean it really does come out to 50 cents a lip liner, which is so good, and they look great considering it's 50 cents each. In my opinion, if you wanted more of a versatile true red shade, I would go with the NYX Suede lip liner. It's only a few dollars more and it is bigger and it doesn't transfer, so that would be my recommendation for a red lip liner rather than just settling for this dollar store one, because I think it's worth it to have that better formula. But I will definitely still use these, especially when I want more of a berry toned red, or for something where I don't have to worry about transfer if I'm just putting this on for when I'm not going to be eating and drinking, because I really do like how comfortable it feels on my lips. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried out this BeautyBenefits brand from the dollar store. I feel like I've never seen anything about it, and I don't know if I've even seen it in every Dollar Tree that I've been to, but it's an interesting brand. I don't know if I'm a super big fan of it, but I'd love to know your thoughts on it down below. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.